Hello everyone, my name is Shaina. I'm a physical therapist. In today's topic, I'll be talking about vertigo, which means your head is spinning but you're not moving around. Or if you're diagnosed with BPPV, then these exercises are for you. The first exercise is Brandt-Daroff Exercise. For this one, we are going to change the position and you might feel your symptoms are getting aggravated, but if you can hold on to the position, it will get better. So you're going to sit straight. And from here, we are going to lie down towards your left side first. Lie down and you can take your legs up and move your neck to 45-degree angle. Hold this position for 30 seconds. You might feel dizzy and pukish, but hold on, it will get better. After 30 seconds, you are going to place one hand and sit straight. Now stay in this position for 30 seconds. You can breathe, relax your body. Now we are going to switch towards our right side. Lie down, take your legs up and move your neck to 45-degree angle. Stay here for at least 30 seconds. And relax, keep your one hand and come back. The next exercise is eye movement exercise. In this one, we are going to sit straight and make sure your neck is not moving. We're just going to move our eyeballs. So usually what happens when you have this condition, when you do sudden neck movement, you feel dizzy. So this exercise is going to help you. So sit straight and from here, just look up and down without moving your neck. Go for 10 repetitions. Last one and relax. Now we are going to look right and left side. Four more reps. And last one and relax. Now we are going to look diagonal up and down. So sit straight and take your eyeball towards your left side, then look down towards your right side. Go for 10 reps. Last one and relax. Now opposite side. Look up towards your right side and then look down towards your left side. Five more reps. And relax. In next exercise, you're going to move your neck, but you're going to focus on one point. So keep your finger in front. Now move your head right and left, but you're going to look at your finger. Go for 10 reps. You might feel your symptoms are getting aggravated, but it will get better. And relax. Now up and down. Four more reps. And relax. Do this exercise at least twice a day to see the difference, and I hope you feel better soon with these exercises, and I will see you in the next videos. Thank you.